I'm going to talk about the issues about having a helicopter mom. One, they always want to catch you doing something. Like, always want to catch you doing something wrong. Like, here's my mom. She'll, like, not knock on the door, and she'll just open it. She does that because she's trying to catch me doing something. And really, I don't really understand why she does that, but she does. Number 2. My mom worries about me going to my dad just because she thinks my dad isn't a helicopter parent, which he isn't, which is good. I mean, like, she has to constantly do this sort of thing. And really, if I ever go to my dad's, where did these come from? Oh, yeah. Last time I wore this, it was October 31st. This trench coat, October 31st, 2014. So, really, I don't remember much. But, yeah, my dad is not a helicopter parent. But he's doing better. He's not trying to pressure me on getting a girlfriend or anything like that. But my mom, she thinks that just because my dad cares about my privacy, you know, she thinks that's a problem. She thinks that is a problem. Well, I don't really understand much. But, yeah, my mom one time said to me, I don't want you going through your dad's because he doesn't police everything that you do. Like, why should that matter? Like, do you even care? Like, what do you care about? I know some of you are going to start saying that, well, she's a good mom. Trust me. It gets worse. Number 3. She gets friends to look at your Facebook page. Okay, you know what? Stop learning this. She gets friends to look at my Facebook page. And then, of course, her friends want me to stop posting stuff about freedom of speech. Stuff that's about my freedom of speech, you know? Stuff that has to do with my freedom of expression. And let me just point out right now, just to let you know, I am gay. So, one time I actually came out on Facebook, and someone actually one of my mom's friends saw my post, and they told my mom, and my mom's all like, don't be posting that stuff on Facebook. And then, of course, it becomes a very serious problem. My mom starts harassing me about it, telling me to delete that post, which I do, so she can stop harassing me about it. But here's the thing, I posted it again. The good news is she didn't see it. And I know she's probably worrying about my safety and all, but But really, I haven't dealt with any hate crimes or anything like that very much. But I have dealt with those, and I know how to deal with them. And really, the most biggest annoyance I have is that I get asked rude questions. That's pretty much my only problem. Like, are you the guy or the girl in the relationship? Are you gonna be the guy or the girl in the relationship? Like, that's the problem I deal with. And really, I should expect that. But, number 4, or, I don't know, I lost count. But, yeah. She constantly gets suspicious about my Facebook friends. Like, oh my god, this person has a job at Burger King? This person has a job at Burger King. Whoop-de-doo. You can work at Burger King or any fast food restaurant when you're 16. I am 16. Right now. I am 16. So, whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. You can get any job when you're 16. I mean, like, not any job, but at least the jobs where you can at least do something. And this also goes into the whole point where my mom has no sense of humor whatsoever. Like, for example, did you know that you can just say that you work at the Bikini Bottom on Facebook? No joke, you can seriously do that. And my mom has no sense of humor of doing that. Like, this person works at the Bikini Bottom? What is that? Where is that? I need to know what that is. The Bikini Bottom? Where the Bikini Bottom at? Huh? Where the Bikini Bottom at? Like, and then I try explaining to her that it's just fictional. And really, she'll think that everything is for real. Like, that kind of info is for real. Like, if someone doesn't post their real age, she'll get angry. She'll get angry. Number 5. They have to have their real face on their Facebook profile picture. Okay, so I'll have a few friends who will post their real face as a profile picture, but then I'll have some friends who will post stuff from animated TV shows or something like that. Or they'll post anime characters. Like, I had one problem, and this is someone I went to school with, still do though, but he had his Facebook profile picture as Kirito from Sword Art Online. And my mom went real mad over that. Like, they didn't post their real face on their profile picture. And she got mad. She really did. Like, real mad. Like, to the whole point where, I'm disappointed at you that you don't look at real friends. Like, really? Like, what do you expect? Number 5. They claim to know a lot more about you. They think they know more about you than you think about yourself. The problem is, yeah, My mom thinks I'm antisocial. Yeah. My mom would think I'm antisocial. Or I deal with social anxiety disorder. She actually thinks these things, but she doesn't let me have friends. Like, she doesn't let me have friends from school and then add them on Facebook. Like, she doesn't want me doing that. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like that at all. Like, she'll take it way too seriously. Like, she'll take everything way too seriously. And she thinks I deal with social anxiety disorder, and she thinks I'm antisocial. And she thinks I don't have very many friends. Yeah. She doesn't think I have very many friends. So she'll pretty much push me to socialize with people that she knows. Not people that I know personally, people that she knows personally. Like, she'll pretty much, like, do anything to get rid of my friends. Number 7. They take things too sensitively. Yeah, my mom does take things too sensitively. And she gets really angry over things. Like, she gets real angry over things, like, really. Let me explain it like this. You post something on Facebook. She gets angry. Like, I feel like that, oh, are you gonna call the cops on me if I post anything more on Facebook? Really? Are you gonna call the cops on me because I post things on Facebook, you know? Like, seriously, that's how I feel. It's like, don't be posting things on Facebook. And if she gets suspicious about one of my friends, she'll give a little lecture on saying, stay off of Facebook. And in some cases, she'll even message my friends. Yes, and everyone who I talk to is really someone I go to school with. So really, I don't understand what her problem is. And if she gets really suspicious about something, she'll get angry and she will message them. And you want to know what the message will probably say? She'll probably swear a lot in just one message and be all like, the main message is to stay away from my son. Like, really, Mom? Really? Here's another problem. No swearing. Like, if she looks at your messages and sees some swearing, she'll get angry. For sure.